What's up guys, in this video I'll be going over several leg exercise variations that you can perform on your sliding bench. A couple of accessories that you'll find in this video are the Great Flex squat stand and the leg pulley system to target the quads and your hamstrings. And keep in mind, with these sliding benches you can increase resistance. The Great Flex has resistance bands, the Total Gym has a weight bar attachment to add external weights. On both machines you can increase the tower height to increase your resistance. If you have any questions, reach me in the comments section. I'd be glad to answer them. Enjoy the video. Let's get started.